Halor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress sa Arpuetri Unaitung Arja Pynrem kala Pynrem jur halor ke Jingkynthoh Presiden yang Bharatiya Janata Party Youth Wing mewake rengdok pakma hakaransan social media dak baong bade bisu siat yakino yakhi bela penlong dak cockroach Janata Party ha New Delhi hak jingakran miklar tai kubor General Secretary Samla Derek Jerwa ulakan tho yakani ke Jingkynthoh jong Presiden ki Samla ke BJP kum ka Mynsiem Riewdum makani ke Jukshai ke bagi breu ke nang lasta Ladawaru ya ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit ban jubab ya ke Jingkynthoh jong mewake lengdok pakma ban ada ka sngapjar ke pensilore ke Pynrem berset bat ke pensilor ban peniap breu
Ti nakonong syam ni nakaliang juga Meghalaya Kongres yang keblai pi barok ki pres ki balaiwan kenik singi meta tingi nakaliang jongka Meghalaya Youth Congress ni don lang hang ni ki member jongka youth bangiwan men persyajur ya kawai ke cingkren ke statement undai ke cingkren ke statement ka ba uwei presiden jongka BJP Youth Wing ulat ho ke social media ba meta pi ke don ketu ke cingga protes namta kini paper leaks ha kebangi kum kongres ngila protes kini ki benai ki baladam rekai ke bangi yo ka ba penkendit yang ikum ki kun samla ba utho apa ke social media jungu wong ba ya kini se ki ba protes ki di bensiat te hi uong ba tear gas is not enough, shoot them. So kani pen I ba kalong kai ke Mynsiem kumba ono Mynsiem Riewdum hakecuk ki bompat kuma kani kecuk cungi kecuk cingsyai kecuk demokrasi. Kani ke statement bau tho hapo ke social media kalau ngak kata shibun iki kun samla kaba mau kum presiden cong ke youth wing Meghalaya ladai mau uban yarap lem ban ya side lem kudai mau kum presiden cong ke BJP badon hakabor po Delhi ban yarap lem nam tagi kun samla ke cungi hebrok koi aslak cungri India bat khamtam hagnika state Meghalaya cungu dai mau penmi kum kani ke statement tingi ba ke cinglong cingman ka mindset cungki kilong thik hi kum gitu seki anbhat ke bingi ki BJP ba lada don kono ba bom syutit le daka penting pensmi dari kum bangi ong kat kum ka constitution right ke cungi kat kum ka article 19 nila pen protes hak demokrasi hi ni don ni kata ka hok bat om da ka ba penting pensmi om da ka ba berngem berset om da ka ba berngem da ban syusiat ban syupeniap re ka don ka debate ka don ka dialogue ban question ni government ladangi kim ki khun samla ngim don ni kata ka right ladangi isu snapchar ka ja ka ni ka paper leak ka bamen ka ni ka lakta da ki tholak ngut ikna samla ladangi isu snapchar bet ladangi don kata ka interest ha ka politics ladangi question ni kita ki badon habor manu kan question ni kata rekum ka ni ki cingkren kolong ka ka bapen sungsi ka bakta mat yong sikit dai re nagaleo tungi ka youth congress ni yang scam hi ha kata ko bang inclusive development ya baro bangi don kata ka bomnyo siliang inu bangi sngap ya ka sur chung pajba tebat sagawiru ba ka BJP kandai bai a cubab halor kani statement ka bau ni presiden juga youth wing ula keren kacing sngapcar jungki ladaki sngapcar kemud ki penslur kan kum kani kacing berngam berset jungki ka penslur kin ban peniap beriu reha kani ka juk demokrasi jungi kamdai ban long kumta ba presiden jungka youth congress ula tho e ketu jungka ngidiman kum vice president jungka youth congress ngidiman ba presiden jungka BJP Youth Wing udai ban pama holor kani bat udai bedong accountability bat udai bendon kata responsibility hau te kini kaporu ni don lang ki member jungka youth congress ki ban ya ai cingkren lang hakani kapor
saying full words and all that, and despite he's an advocate, I mean, like, where is his ethics, as an advocate? So this is very unprofessional, so to say, and we really condemned him. And after everyone that what's going on in Delhi, it's like a war there. We've seen from lots of media that many youth is, they are all there, beaten up, and then coming up from a guy who's from Meghalaya. I mean, like, it's such a disgrace. I mean, like, no one, like, they don't have the sense of humor, thinking, and then I feel so ashamed. And from the Meghalaya Youth Congress, we want him to, step down, and we need some actions needs to be taken against him. And you can't say, to kill the people who protest. I mean, like, these people come from all over India to protest for our nation, for the worldwide, so that everything will go in peace, knowing that all the need of the examination, what is going on. So yes, from the Youth Congress, we strongly condemn him and the BHP. Not yet, not yet, and we will sit and discuss, and we will see what's next for him. Coming from the president of BGP youth wing, they should do something about it. Such words can't you can't say such words, like, killing the youth who protest there in Delhi. I mean, like, have some common sense. I mean, he's an advocate, so his, I don't know where is his mindset, and I mean, you should speak on your mind. You can't just speak what's going on, or you can't be unprofessional, so to say. You have to be very professional when you lead any team. When you lead a party, you have to be professional on this. Not This is not acceptable.
Now we are doing this press conference, so we'll see laterwards if he's not answerable to this, what we have asked him to do. We'll proceed with the protest as well. Yes, we have done recently. In the last 2-3 months back, we have done the protest. Yesterday, also a group of youth were gathering there. We from the Youth Congress, from the Congress also, we join them. We support them. So anything related to what issue which affect the youth or which affect the country, we are ready to fight. We are ready to join.
In his social media account. This is not acceptable, not just for the Congress, this is not acceptable by the citizens of the country. What steps we will take as a party? We will sit down and chalk out our program. But we've been standing with the students community. We've been participating in protests. The Youth Congress have conducted a protest march maybe in the last 2 months. Let's focus on the matter at hand. Uh, the statement made by the president of the youth wing of the BJP, this reflects what the BJP stands for. We've seen the violence in Delhi, where the government are using the machinery, right, to inflict pain, to be physical with the protesters, right? And whatever this person has stated in his social media account, this just reflects the BJP's attitude towards the youth. So from the Congress, we will always stand with the youth, because this is not just about the Congress. This is about our society. This is about our future. This is about the welfare of our students. Paper leaks, it's not a joke, right? And this didn't just happen just once. It's been happening. Paper leaks has been happening in India. It's affecting the families in the rural areas who have been sacrificing, right? They spend so much time in preparing for the exams. And as students, all of us here, right, we have gone through exams, and we know the anxiety that we face before the exams. To face the exam twice, the same exams twice, it's not a joke, right? The anxiety faced by parents, the amount of money spent on tuitions, the money spent on coaching centers, right? So a lot of effort has been put so that students clear the exams. So when there is a paper leak, only the people who have appeared for the exams understand the seriousness of the matter. What is painful for us, what we've seen in yesterday's protest, the student community in Shillong, our community, right? The awareness, or maybe people feel that because it is not affecting them, so they're not coming out in hordes. So, as a political party, as a party who's responsible, right? We are the ones who should be responsible to create this awareness. What's happening to our country? It's not just my family. It's what's happening in the country. It's affecting every family. All these people who want to be future doctors, future engineers, they've lost trust, they've lost faith in the system. So it's not just the Congress. I'm speaking not just as a congressman, not just as a Congress party worker. I'm speaking as a brother. I'm speaking as a father. I'm speaking as an uncle. I'm speaking for everyone. Because what is happening now with the students community, maybe if this continues, our family will be affected one day. We will be affected one day. The quality of doctors that we will have, the quality of engineers that we will have. If the system is not right, if the system is corrupt, we will have to stand up against this. And to hear a statement or to see a statement being made by a person who's holding office in a national party, this just reflects the way things are in India right now, the way, the attitude of the people in power in India right now. So this should be a kind of an awakening for all of us that the mindset of the people in power right now is not in the right place. We have to bring things back into perspective. We have to act now. We can't delay this. So that's the party stand as of now. The future programs we will keep on announcing whatever we are doing, and the press will be intimated on in due time. We won't stop. We won't just stay still. We'll be conducting programs first to raise awareness first about this issue, and we want more participation from the public, especially from the student community, because they are the ones who are affected the most. So we will let the media know, the press know about our programs in due course. Nakaliang Congress sa siya, ingin represent Saungut, ingin nyalit siya po Delhi, ingin ka meeting bagi party leaders yung po Delhi, niya lit siya jaka bagi protest, ingin kendo leaders yung students leader university bokir, ingin kendo bagi niki badan ka kani ka jantar mantar kidang dan ka ijong kiru kidang dan ka jaka ki ya bu protest ini kendo yaki omni tang bangi mansur represent le bangiru ngin plus no wiki ba kani kam ta tang ki bri hafo ki mainland India le kham tam bingi sine ka ba sine siri dum ki jong hakaba ka rukomlong ki education system ka education jong ki bahar ki kwa bakin yosmo ya applied na ki jing e ki jong ba hani ki than ki jong
Tapi keluar yang pada pun berisi mentalam antara jenis
Hoi, kanunu ka sinjam ka ba kamli tang jing satkan. Kanunu ka sinjam ka ba ngi skogdei banlet ang menta ki samla ki jongi na menta ki para ki jongi ngi kloy banya snokti bat bang mili tang snokti bat bang nyalam hiru nakman ban wan ra byang ka jingpuli po ka jla jongi po ka ri ka jongi ka jingpuli po ki me ka pa ki shania ka ki khna ki dan ka jing ka believe ka tang dan.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.